I'm Rachel, Technical Director and Mess Maker with Global Kingston, and thank you for joining me in the back workshop for Nail or Fail. And today I am going to try and make Booza. Booza, also nicknamed stretchy ice cream, is one of the earliest recorded types of frozen dairy-based desserts. It is over 500 years old and originated in the Eastern Mediterranean. It is whole milk, sugar, and two important ingredients, salep, ground orchid root, and mastic, a resin that is produced from a tree specifically on the island of Chios in Greece. The salep and mastic is what gives the chewy texture and the stretch, hence the nickname stretchy ice cream. So I think I'm all set and ready to go. Let's start by getting our mastic all ground up. Salep, how much salep do I need? 1 tablespoon? That doesn't seem right. I don't think that seems right.
Follow the instructions.
I am, but I don't think it's right. Third of a cup. Holy crap, I wish we had air conditioning in here. I think I burnt it. I burnt it. I burnt it pretty good. The fun part is now making it ice cream. This is a very long process. The amount of churning and mixing and pounding needed has to take place over the freezing process, which is several hours and is needed to get the full stretch. Unfortunately, it's now going on 10 o'clock at night and I can't continue, so it's a smidgen hard the next day. But as it thaws, I can see that it does have a little stretch, and I imagine that if I had the full amount of time, and I didn't burn it, it would have been more stretchy. So I'm labeling this as a soft nail. It smells lovely like pine and cedar, and it doesn't taste too bad, because I did burn it, but let's see the Welichka's take on it.
What are we eating?
This is Booza.
Oh.
It's not quite stretchy.
It tastes like fish.
How does it taste like fish?
Ice cream is not supposed to taste like fish.
It doesn't taste like fish.
Ugh.
I'm still classifying it as a nail because it's stretchy. Thanks, Aaron.